Hi guys, Lean Canning here again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I was commissioned to do the makeup of the sales and marketing team of Prestige Brands Philippines for their Atelier de Prestige soft launch. So another racket na naman tayo for today while waiting guys. Nantay ako ng mga may make-upan ko. So dito muna tayo. So makeup done for the General Manager of Prestige Brands, Miss Esmeralda Abe. And of course, this event was hosted by Philippine Tatler and this is the Managing Director, Miss Irene Francisco. And here are the rest of my lovely models for today. The sales and marketing team of Prestige Brands Philippines. And this is my third time working with them. So I was able to play around with their makeup and looking forward for more project. And here you go guys. Papunta na nga kami ng Greenbelt kung saan nandoon yung Atelier de Prestige. So syempre nakikita nyo ng iba't ibang magagandang brands. So, if you're into branded things, guys, Greenbelt lang kayo pumunta. Andun lahat ng mga malalaking brands. We're now approaching the Atelier de Prestige, and this is where the event is going. So, come inside, join me guys, and have fun. Since this is hosted by Tatler Philippines, of course guys, nandito yung mga elite ladies of the Philippines. Diba? Yung mga mayayaman. And then sigurado maraming yan later guys. So let's hear this out.
So he's also inspired, of course, by most of us, the elegance of and sensual freedom. I'm going to move to this area. Thank you very much, ladies, for following me. I appreciate it. Oh, before that, apologies. Just to mention, if you look right here, initial is a Latin word that means the origin and initiation. And this French perfume house sets out to initiate perfume as an object of...
So guys, speaking of niche perfume, what we have here in Atelier de Prestige are, we have Sir Joff, Initio, Kilian, Frederic Malle, Creed, and Atkinsons. So check out guys if you are a user of these niche perfumes. guys. I hope you have enjoyed. Another vlog is over. See you on my next vlog. And this is me going back to Glorieta 4, guys. Siyempre, mag-isa na lang ako. O, diba? And buti hindi ako maligaw, 'di ba? Kasi kabisado ko naman 'to, guys. Pero that was 14 years ago. And yan, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video. And for those who are not yet subscribed, please help me to click the subscribe button below and of course the notification bell, guys, for you to be updated on my channel's activities. God bless. Mwah.